Mommy's been not feeling so good lately all the time. And like you said, Mommy's just a little fat. Not a lot, but just a little. Do you see that?
What is that?
Do you know what that is? No. Do you remember the picture we showed you before?
Look closely. Look really, really close.
Wait, let me play it again. Do you see a little hand waving right there? That's his head. And there's a little hand and a little feet. Yeah. Do you know what that is? No. That's my belly. Oh. That is your baby brother or sister. There's a baby in there. Are you excited?
Yes. Can't wait.
You can't wait? That's great. Are you excited?
Yes.
You were right this whole time. You've been saying there was a baby in my belly. You were totally right.
I knew it.
See? Say hi to your brother or sister.
Is it kicking me?
It's
No,
not
it's
kicking
too,
me
it's
yet.
Too tiny yet.
It's kicking me, but I can't feel it yet. When it starts to kick me, you'll feel it. You see? So that's why my belly's getting bigger and why I've been feeling yucky lately. Are you excited?
Yes. I just can't wait. I know I go go. I know I go go.